I wanna say thank you guys for helping me. I will never forget.
I want to say hello and big thanks to all my Ducati Taiwan fans. Thank you for the support this 2025. We achieve our main goal, that is the World Championship. And yeah, just a happy Ducati week. Enjoy it and see you soon. Bye.
Thank you.
How old are you now?
What?
How old are you now?
How long?
How old are you?
Oh, how old I'm 27.
18, 19. I think you are 19, 18, around that.
1980 around.
27.
1980 around is like too young.
Yeah, this one.
I was planned earlier to go, but the Grab driver just cancel.
Because of traffic jam.
Yeah, that's traffic jam.不是我连睡一下，我刚刚剪片剪到一半，然后就突然开始哔哔，然后我说有那个地震了，然后就开始咚，然后就怎么有那么大，怎么干，然后后来停下来什么，我爸从楼上走下来，然后我就干刚好有我大靠背干，然后我爸说。有什么我怕的？他就有的很好玩，干，超好笑，受不了！但是我影片剪不进去了，干5分钟啊，靠背，哦哟，想剪进去。